life confessions. True life confessions, okay? I didn't even know this bag existed. I really didn't. I really didn't. And I know you like, ma'am, don't you consume LV? I do. But this wasn't on my radar. But when I saw it, I immediately knew it was good. That pop was loud and unnecessary. But I immediately knew this was going to be a hot item. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. And it's free. Okay, but so this came in last night. Oh, let me tell the truth. Okay, no, it did come in last night. Hear me out. Let me explain. I had, was I on Instagram? I was on one of these internet streets. Okay, and I saw a picture of that bag. I was like, what's that? Like, what's that? Is that a replica? Because you know nowadays these replicas, they got a little skill to them, a little pizzazz. So I wasn't sure. So I took the picture, screenshotted the picture, sent it to my CA. I was like, girl, is this a thing? Like, is this a thing? Like, let me know, is this a thing? And she was like, yup, it's a thing. You can pre-order it, it's a thing. I said, sign me up. Sign me up immediately. And that's what she did. She signed me up. Now, it came in last night, but I was tired. I wasn't tired. I was lazy. I was lazy. I wasn't in the mood. But I'm in the mood this morning. I got myself a little together. You know, just a little bit though. And we're going to open this box so I can play with her. So, it came in, you know, the hook. One day I'm going to do an unboxing without dropping stuff on the floor. It's going to happen one day. But this the box it came in, right? Now let's get into the good box. The box we all... I'm going to stop. Let me just open this box, alright? I think I had too many cups of coffee this morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, alright? I'm probably on my 3rd cup. So don't be judging me, alright? I'm happy and caffeinated. Oh, let me show y'all this real quick though. I'm sorry, just hold on. Let me show you this real quick. Look, y'all remember that? Like, this has literally become, I mean, granted it's only been a week. Yeah, about a week. But this has become my everyday bag. Like, I took the strap from my Vachette Matisse, and then, cause ain't nobody got time for every day to be playing with a whole Vachette strap. Untreated. Ain't nobody got time. Okay, so I changed out my strap, and then I took off the original handle, the LV handle that came with the bag, because ain't nobody got time for that either. Okay, and I switched it with my Vachette strap that I got from Amazon. Alright, and I've been carrying this bag every day since. This is a good everyday bag. Oh, and I treated the Vachette too. I did a short on that. If you haven't seen it, I will link it up here at the end of the video somewhere. It's somewhere. But I apple guarded it. I was proud of myself. I was a professional at everything. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's get back to the unboxing. Say, girl, you play too much. And if you care, the strap, the Amazon Vachette strap, try to get this off. The Amazon Vachette strap and the apple guard that I got off of Amazon, I will have it linked. Okay. She is off. Zon 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 zon. I'm gonna do a playlist for a strip club and I'm gonna sell it to them because I zon 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 zon. Stop. All right, here she is. I'm gonna put her right here. All right, I'm gonna put her right there. Oh look! It's your baby Speed. She cute. Okay, wait, let me get her sister. Where her sister? Let me get her sister. Okay. So, as y'all know how your friend is. Now, if she can get a trifecta, she gonna get it. Okay? She gonna get it. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth about the monogram Speedy. I don't really wear this bag. Not because I don't like it. Oh, it's because I don't know. I just don't gravitate towards it. However, I want to have it because it's the first original monogram Speedy in the size 20. Same thing with her. Like, hello, okay? So I'm gonna put her down. Let's get into the Damier Ebene Speedy 20. Alright. Let's open her up. Ooh. We love an extended zipper. We love an extended zipper. So let's... I'm holding it like this because I don't know what I got on my hand. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know I'm usually not this moisturized. So I don't know what's... Okay. Now this is the strap. Now some people gonna love strap. Okay, hold on, Rakita. Hold on. Now some people... What's this? Hold on now. Hold on. Is it extended and adjustable? Listen. Come on, improvements. Did Louis Vuitton make it adjustable? Let me, if y'all, you probably know, but just in case you don't, let me tell you why I'm in awe. Okay, hold on. Now this is, hold on, just throw this over my shoulder like that. This is the guitar strap that came with the monogram 20, right? As you can see, it's not extendable, it's not adjustable. Like, girl, they said you're gonna wear her as she is. Okay, so this is what I was expecting. Okay, now did I just tell myself I ain't do a lot of research on this bag? I did. I really did. I really did, but I ain't gonna lie, I ain't care. I knew I wanted it. Like, the strap didn't mean anything to me because I'm gonna wear it when I want to, and like on an everyday basis, or you know, on a casual outfit, I'm gonna just take the strap off and use the strap from my Speedy 30. So it's like, whatever. Okay, but anyway, so the strap is detachable and adjustable, and it is, of course, brown leather, and then it's like a cream beige and coffee brown with cream. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she cute. Okay, so that was a pleasant surprise. All right, so let's put her on. Hold on, I got so much things going on at one time. It don't matter, girl. It don't matter, girl. Okay, and here she is with the strap on. Oh, she is cute. All right, so let's get into the bag. Listen, it's gonna be a short tour because there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. It is just that beautiful red interior with one slip pocket right here, and then of course this is the lock and key. Every Speedy come with a lock and key. I know you know. I know you know. And that is it. All right. So her sister has arrived. Now listen, next summer, how much you want to put? Bet money. Bet money. They're going to come out with an Azure next summer. They go, watch. I ain't judging. I mean, I would be here for it. You know, church, hey. But they are. And then I'm going to do a trifecta. Because that's just what your friend likes. Okay. Now let's see real quick what fits. Oh. Hold on, what my stuff? I was about to say what my stuff, but I forgot. Look, it's early. Don't be judging me, okay? Look, I still got on my pajama pants, okay? It's early. All right, let's see what fits real quick. All right. Now, we have a business card holder. Okay. We have a cigarette case. Now, if you guys want to know in detail the things that I carry, like what's in my bag on an everyday basis, I will also link one of them videos, because I carry everything the same every day. I ain't lying, every day. But 6-ring key holder. Alright. And then AirPods, iPod, whatever. Earphones. Okay. Combat case. Alright. Little lip gloss. Little lotion. What else in here? A hair tie. I don't know where my phone at. Where my phone? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Hold on. So, this is about the size of my phone. I have a iPhone 14 Max. I think that's what I got. I don't know. Listen. I ain't say I was technical, people. So let's just say this is an iPhone Max, okay? Fits in here snug. Look at this. Look at all that space in there. Alright? Let me get this out before I break it, then be mad at y'all like y'all told me to put it in there. I like her. Alright, so let's see. Let's do it. What's the size? Alright, so this is just the length it came on. Okay. I am 5'8" for reference. If you new here, hey friend. Now how you listen, I ain't got it's stiff. Woo child. Why so stiff? Cause it's new, Rakita. Okay, my bad. Alright, I think this is the shortest setting. Okay. I don't know if it changed much though, did it? Or is it just me? Probably just me. Hold on. Let me zip it up for everything come tumbling out. And then I gotta clean up. 7 o'clock in the morning. Alright, let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna play some whole music while I figure this out. Do 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 do. Okay. I think this is the longest setting. Alright. Why are we struggling with these straps? Like, ooh. 2 degrees later, I don't know how to fix a strap. Oh, okay. But there we go. What y'all think? I think she cute crossbody. Okay. Wait, let me try this. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I mean, I'm gonna hold y'all for a little bit. Y'all gotta spend a little time with me. Let me just see how this. Alright? Don't act like that. Alright? Friends are supposed to spend time together. Alright? Let me put that down here like that. Alright, you sit right there. Let's see how this look. Now, I'm not gonna adjust. I'm not gonna adjust this strap because this is the length I wear it, obviously, when I wear my Speedy 30. Alright, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Alright. Alright, hold up. Hold up. Oh. Out why I posed. I don't know why I just posed. I don't know. But it felt right. Okay. But honestly, I'm more likely to wear it like this than I am, because I like the, don't get me wrong, this is the strap that it comes with. I like it. I think it's really super pretty, but it's also a light color. And then, you know, this is just for like a little pizzazz. A little razzle dazzle. Okay, but for an everyday kind of situation, I would probably use my 30 strap. I like it. Alright. Okay, good people, that is it. That is the unboxing of my new Damier Ebene Speedy 20. Your girl is on her way to the trifecta in the Speedy 20s. I'm on my, I mean, they gotta make the Azor one first, but you know, bet money they is. Bet money they is. I hope I don't lose that bag, because Louis Vuitton be trying to play with me. They really be trying to play with me. But let me know what you think about the Speedy 20. Is it something that you're getting or got or pre-ordered? All that good stuff. And that is it. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm normal on most days. Am I? I don't know. My husband probably tell you I'm lying. But anyway, go ahead. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from your new friend. And then follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I am at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.